This is Design on Time, where every episode, a viewer will choose 3 random things that Amy and Jamie will need to incorporate into a new creative project. The objects will be revealed at the start of the episode, and they'll have just 15 minutes to complete the project. Join them as they learn to push their creative limits in a fun and challenging way. This week's guest challenger is Heidi Swapp. Let's see what she has in store for us.
Hey guys, I'm Heidi Swapp and I am excited to be part of Design on Time. I'm loving your videos and I'm excited that you've invited me to choose 3 things for you to use in your next challenge. So here goes. I invite you to use the Dymo, puzzle pieces, and a stencil. So let's see what you make.
Thank you so much for the challenge. We don't have puzzle pieces, so we're going to swap it for wood veneer.
As soon as I saw that stencil with the journaling on it, I knew I wanted to use that as my main focus, and I just loved the saying. I should have washi taped it down so it wouldn't jiggle so much when I was inking it up, but it's okay. For the label maker, I couldn't use it because they were hogging it. Just kidding. For the label maker, I used the stickers that already have the embossed look to them to kind of save time. And for the wood veneer, I chose to kind of sprinkle it on one part of the pattern paper and make a little design with that. I did make a little stamping mistake, and at the last minute I covered it up with some washi tape and some die cuts.
So I started off with a misting stencil, and I wanted to use the ink blending tool to create some interest on both sides of this notebook. Since I was only planning on doing 2 different lists, I didn't really know what to do for Transformation Tuesday. While I was actually using the label maker, because it takes some time, I thought about it and just decided to focus on coffee, how it transforms me every day, including Tuesday. On the other side, I decided to use the ink blending tool again and chose the same color that Tudor had, the red, which normally I don't think I would have gravitated towards, but I used the lines and used that as a guide for my journaling. I did some stamping and really wanted to focus on the journaling aspect of things I need to improve. For the ink splotches, I added some mists because I wanted to use the color aqua.
For my layout, I chose to do a stencil of America. For some reason, I was thinking about a road trip. And so, keeping with that theme, I chose a little wood car, and I wrote, "I can't wait to jump in the car with you, my love," for whoever I will be road tripping with at some point.
3, 2, 1. Step back from the table. Ding, 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 ding.
Overall, I really like the color scheme of this layout, and the stencil was really fun to use. I rarely do pictures of myself, so this was a new thing for me.
Overall, I think it looks good. On the left, I really would have preferred to add a little bit more journaling, but I think that the wood veneer adds a little bit of dimension and interest.
I only used sort of the bottom third of the layout because I was trying to create negative space. But I think having a white background with such little color does give it a kind of a lifeless quality. So I think next time, if I choose white, I want to fill it up a little bit more. Thanks, Heidi Swapp, for this week's challenge. We had a great time.
To see these layouts in detail, visit Amy Tangerine's blog.
And to see more of Heidi Swapp's awesome stuff, visit HeidiSwapp.com.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, hey, round and round, hey, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Yeah, smolder.